అట్లా నువ్వు అట్లా కూర్చోండి దీని ఫోన్ వేసి ఫోన్
Welcome back after the break. Change of ends. The match moving on in a quite nice pace. That was bowled very well, and that's out of the ground. That was beautifully hit by the batsman. Bowler flighting it, tempting the batsman to go for a shot. Batsman has powered it out of the ground. Wonderful shot from Nitish Mittal. Centurious Cricket Club are progressing quite well with 81 for 2 on the board. Here's the fourth ball of the over. Oh, that was bowled fast. A faster one outside the off stump. That has taken the edge, but the fielder up to the task. Quietly played down for a single. The batsman has again bowled it. The bowler has bowled it wide, but the batsman has reached for it. That's a dot ball. The last ball of the 11th over. The batsman up for the task. Oh, that was a good ball. The batsman has quietly played it to the deep point region. After 11, it's 83 for the loss of 2. Batsman has asked for a change of the bat.
జెర్సీ నెంబర్ 14 ఇక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది
అమిత్ ఖరే. అమిత్ ఖరే
డాట్ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది ఎవరేస్తున్నారని యాక్చువల్గా
Start of the 12th over. Off spinner into the attack. Oh, that's a bye. That's given a bye. Amit Kare to Johnson Gabe. Given bye by the umpire. Oh, they were slightly short of the full length. The keeper has spilled over. And the batsman cross off for a single. The batsman trudge off for another run. Here's the third ball of the over. Amit Kare bowling quite well. Again it was a good length delivery. The batsman trying to play a shot, but just place it for a single. Good bowling by Amit Kare so far. 3 balls, 3 runs. Oh, that was a good delivery. Oh, that's out of the ground. That was a fantastic stroke. That was a fantastic stroke by Nitish Mittal. It was bowled full, and Nitish Mittal was up to the task. He has powered it out of the ground for a 6. What was turning out to be a fantastic over so far has been turned into a 9-run over. That was beautifully hit over mid off. That was beautifully hit over long off. Centurious Cricket Club on the mark here, on the rise. Again, that's a wide. The bowler bowling outside the tram line. Another run to Centurious Cricket Club. The bowler going offline after 3 good balls in the over. Oh, the batsman coming down to the off stump, trying to make space and hit it over the leg side, but was not able to do so. Here's the last ball of the over. Oh, that was a good delivery. That was a very good delivery. This time the pace was much down by Amit Kare. So end of this over, 10 runs from it after end of 12. The score is 93 for 2. Centurious Cricket Club are progressing quite well. They started at 74 for 2 at the end of 10 and have accumulated over 19 runs in the past 2 overs. A good progress quite far. The captain is in discussion with the bowler about the field placements. They should get in a productive over. The opposition trying to get in a productive over. Karthik Sangha is the new bowler. Medium fast, he's coming from over the wicket. He has got a long off, a gully and a point. He has got a deep backward square. Here's the first ball of the over. Oh, the batsman trying to swing. That was a very good delivery. That was a fantastic delivery by Karthik Sangha. It was full. The batsman trying to heave it over the square leg, but was unable to do so. Turning into a dot. Here's the second delivery of the over. Oh, that was again a very good delivery. Lack of bounce on the wicket. Wicketkeeper again was up to the task. Batsman again going for a wild swing, unable to connect. Good 2 balls by Karthik Sangha so far. He has pitched it accurately. He has been on the good length so far. The batsman unable to get the elevation. Good comeback after the 6 in the last over. The batsman on the leg side stance, aiming the leg side. Oh, this was again a very good delivery. Smart bowling by Karthik. The batting power play is on. Smart bowling by Karthik. The batsman has taken the leg side stance, looking to heave over the leg side, but Karthik keeping it on the off stump. The batsman unable to get elevation. Fantastic bowling by Karthik so far. Just 1 run after the 3 balls bowled so far. Here's Karthik galloping along for the 4th ball of the over. There you go. Again, it's outside the off stump. The batsman has hit it quite hard. The batsman has hit it quite hard. Misfield by the fielder out there near the long on region. So the batsman was able to take a 2 there. 3 runs of the over so far. That was hit quite hard by the batsman, but Karthik sticking to his good length area. Good length bowling. This is some fantastic stuff by Karthik so far. Oh, this was again a good delivery. Batsman trying to get underneath it. Oh, the batsman has hit it in the air. Quietly comes back for a second. He has hit it into the gap, into a no man's land. Another 2 in the over. Karthik Sangha is bowling quite well. Only given away 5 runs so far and has stuck to the good length. Has not been off length so far. Here's the last ball of the over. Karthik Sangha on the march and again hit out to the. Again hit for a single. So 6 runs of the over. So a good comeback. Karthik Sangha has finished his spell. He has gone for 33 at the end of 4. It was quite a fantastic display of bowling in this over. Karthik has stuck to the good length all over. The batsmen were trying to heave him down to the leg side, down to the offside, but were not able to get underneath the ball, but were not able to get the elevation. Good smart bowling, smart stuff by Karthik. So we are into the 14th over. Centuries Cricket Club stand at 99 for 2 after the end of 13th. So Nitish Mittal has retired out. So wicket,
Out.
Oh, outa retired outa.
రిటైర్ అవుట్ అనుకుంటున్నాను.
W అని వచ్చింది.
వికెట్.
Oh, retired out. Prashant has been retired out. New batsman is Vamshi. Oh,
ప్రశాంత్ బౌలర్.
new batsman is Vamshi. Vamshi has got a staggering record. He's got a good strike rate. Looks far a good player than his average suggests. Quietly nudged out for a single. Good bowling by Prashant. Again, he's sticking down to the good length. Nudged down to the onside for a single. Good cheer up from all the fielders around the ground. Again, the batsman trying to heave it. Again, there was a slight misfield by the batsman. The batsmen are trying to go for a second. Slight misfield by the fielder. But again, threw the ball back to the keeper. Good fielding by the fielder. After misfielding. Here's the 4th ball. Oh, that was good bowling. Again, batsman under slight pressure to increase the scoring rate. Good bowling by Prashant so far. Again, good delivery by Prashant. Batsman trying to get underneath it. Oh, that was a misfield and the ball has gone to the boundary. Bonus runs for Centuries Cricket Club. A boundary after quite a while, a boundary after 10 balls. This is gold for Centuries Cricket Club so far. The 100 is up for Centuries Cricket Club. Score stands at 105 for 3. Last ball of the 14th over. Oh, that was again played beautifully there to the deep square leg region. Prashant Mittal was slightly short and beautifully played by Naveen Mittal. That's a 4 to deep mid wicket. So at the end of 14, it's 109 for 3. Naveen Mittal was slightly on the shorter side, but Prashant was equally. But Nitish Mittal was up to the task, smartly moving on to the off stump and playing it beautifully down to the square leg for a boundary. Centuries Cricket Club need to up the ante. The score stands at 109 for 3. The bowling team able to exert good pressure. They are able to put brakes on the scoring rate. Nitish Mittal going at a fantastic strike rate. He's striking at 165, 33 of 20. Has looked good so far. The new bowler into the attack. Batsman adjusting his field. There's no one at the deep square leg, so the bowler has to look out. He has to not pitch it short, wherein the batsman has a great chance to actually hit him over the square leg. The new bowler in. We are on the bowler on the mark. Has taken guard. And here's the 14th over. Here's the start of the 15th over. Oh, that was smart. That was very, very smart by the bowler. The batsman actually trying to come out. Vamshi was run out. Vamshi was run out.
Okay.
So Amit Kare was proving to be very dangerous. He was run out. The batsman trying to get underneath the ball. But it was really smart from the bowler's perspective to just tap it onto the stumps. Good game awareness by the Centuries Cricket Club bowlers. By the opposition bowlers. Uday Dua is the next batsman. He's on the non-strikers end. The bowler has been spot on with his length. He has been really good bowling it full. Has not allowed the batsman to get underneath the ball. Oh, this was a wide. That's a good delivery. Again, the bowler bowling it outside the off stump. Again, not allowing the batsman to get underneath the ball for any elevation. The bowler keeping it very tight. Amit Kare keeping it very tight. Vamshi has just quietly played it for a single. Has only managed a single. New batsman on strike. Let's see what magic he does. Again, the batsman trying to get underneath the ball. This is some smart stuff by the bowler. It's just a single. Down to long off. Uday Dua has opened it. Uday Dua is off the mark with a single. The opposition is quite smart. It's putting a lot of scoring breaks on the opposition. This is some fantastic stuff. Again, just a single. This is a fantastic over so far by Amit Kare. He has been spot on with his line and length so far. The batsmen not able to get underneath the ball. They're not able to hit boundaries. The scoring rate has dried up. The Centuries Cricket Club looking to make a comeback. Again, the batsman trying to make amends. Oh, the batsman comes back for 2. That's very good running. The opposition won't mind this. As far as to 1s and 2s, the boundaries are only cause of concern for the opposition team. Centuries Cricket Club need to up the ante. This is some fantastic bowling down there by the opposition. The score stands at 115 for the loss of 4. The last ball of the 15th over coming up. Last ball of the over coming up. Again, that's high in the air. Oh, the fielder spills it and the batsman goes back for a second. Amit Kare has been fantastic with the ball. He has kept the line spot on and the batsmen are unable to hit him. What a fantastic over at this stage. So at the end of 15th, the score stands at 117 for 4. Amit Kare has been quite economical in his last 2 overs. Has not diverted from the good length. He has kept the good length. He's bowling really well so far. The opposition's putting the brakes on the batsman team. The Rising Warriors are rising. They've been very good and economical in the second half so far. The new bowler, let's see, it's again an off spinner. It's a spinner into the attack. Smart captaincy by the Rising Warriors captain. The batsman look for pace at this point of time, but he has slowed things down. The batsmen need to keep a lot of effort actually to clear the boundaries. So with no pace on the ball, the batsman should actually hit him out of the ground. Should generate a lot of power. This is some fantastic captaincy and smart captaincy by Rising Warriors captain. Oh, that's down the leg side. That's a wide. Bonus for Centuries Cricket Club right now. Keeper very alert behind the stumps, trying to run out the batsman, but has missed the wickets. So Manoj Sangha back into the attack. The bowler has gone off track but has kept the good length, which is really good. It is very difficult for the batsman to get underneath. Oh, that's a wide. Manoj Sangha has been offline so far in the over. So these are some bonus runs for Centuries Cricket Club. The score stands at 119 for the loss of 4 after the end of 15th. Breaks on by Rising Warriors. Oh, this is some fantastic bowling by Manoj Sangha. Again, the batsmen are only able to get back for a second. The bowling has been quite remarkable by the Rising Warriors team so far. They have completely slowed the pace down. The boundaries have dried up for the Centuries Cricket Club. Here's the second ball of the over. Manoj Sangha has changed his line of attack. He's going round the wicket. Oh, that's out of the ground. What a fantastic strike that is. Oh, that was a superb stroke over long off. Uday Dua has powered it out for a 6. That's a superb shot. That's a boundary after quite a while, almost after 3 overs. Manoj Dua rising like a centurion for the Centuries Cricket Club. These runs are like gold dust right now for the Centuries Cricket Club. Boundary coming at the right time. Now the score moves on to 125 for the loss of 4. 128 for the loss of 4. So Manoj Sangha has again changed the line of attack. He is back to over the wicket. Oh, that was a good ball. Good bowling by Manoj Sangha. The last ball has allowed the batsman to get under the ball and clear. That's the reason he has cleared it quite easily as the ball was full. Good bowling and good strategy, good thinking by Manoj Sangha to actually bounce back. Oh, this was driven straight. This is driven straight and that's a boundary. Oh, what a fantastic shot that is. Again, the ball was slightly full and it is straight and it is driven straight down the ground by Manoj Sangha. By Vamshi, sorry. What a good stroke that is. That was powered down the ground. This is a wonderful over. This is a wonderful over for Centuries Cricket Club. 14 so far of the over. 15 so far of the over. Oh, that was flighted beautifully by Manoj Sangha there. Good bowling there. Good bowling down there. The batsman trying to hit it, but he has just managed to get a single down to square leg. The last ball of the over coming up for the Centuries Cricket Club. Here's the last ball. That was again flighted. Smart bowling. It was hit straight down to long off, down the throat of long off, just for a single. So a good comeback by Manoj Sangha after being hit for a 6. A good over for the Centuries Cricket Club, and at the end of 16 the score stands at 135 for 4. The last over fetching 18 runs. Oh, what a good over that the last over was. The line of attack has the change of attack, the line of attack has actually hurted Manoj Sangha. He was bowling so far, he has bowled fantastically over the wicket. But going round the wicket and pitching the ball full has allowed the batsman to get underneath the ball, which has entirely spoiled the over. It's a new over. The last 4 overs, the last 4 penultimate overs. These are overs of gold dust for both the batting and the fielding side. Death overs are always some fantastic overs for both the fielding and the batting side. Centuries Cricket Club aiming 170 with the current rate. Let's see how many runs they accumulate in the last 4. Here's the first ball of the 16th. Oh, that was a very good ball. The batsman thinking that to be a wide and leaving it alone. Amit Kare has been really good. This is the last over of Amit Kare. Amit Kare has not diverted from that good length area. He's been really good. He has been hitting that 18-meter length, good length so far. Oh, again he was trying. Oh, That was a smart catch. Amit Kare has been rewarded for keeping and pitching it on the good length. The batsman trying to up the ante and has been caught. And has been caught out at the wide long of region by Karthik Sangha. It was a smart running catch by Karthik Sangha out there. Uday Duva departs after 15 runs of 9 balls, striking at 166. So the new batsman in, Sampath V is a new batsman. Has huge experience under his belt, has played 174 matches so far. Is closing in on his 3000 runs. 11 runs for his 3000 runs. Average is 21 and has got a good strike rate. But should strike big for the Centuries Cricket Club to make a 2-hitter score over 170. The projected score is 170. But the Rising Warriors have risen very well so far. They have put the scoring brakes on. Now here's the second ball of the over. Here's the third ball of the over. The batsman just monitoring the field. Here's the third ball of the over. Again that was smart by Amit Kare. Batsman appealing for a wide. But the umpire reluctant to give it. This is some fantastic bowling by Amit Kare in the death. A very, very good over so far. Only 1 run of it. Oh, that was good again. That was cut beautifully by the batsman. That's a boundary. Sampath V has played it beautifully to deep backward point. He has cut it. It was played quite well by Sampath. This is just the start of what Centuries Cricket Club are aiming. They are aiming at a very high score right now. Sampath V is up for the task. Amit Kare has been a force to reckon with so far. He has been really very good with his accuracy. Here's the 5th ball of the over. Again, that was a very good delivery. Again, the batsman swinging it, but unable to get anything out of it. What a fantastic over this. Only 4 runs of this over. Now the last ball of the over coming up. Let's see what the batsman is up to. Sampath on strike, and here's the last ball. They are appealing for an LBW. I guess it was outside the leg stump. The umpire has given it not out. But what a fantastic over by Amit Kare for just 4 of the over. Wow, Amit Kare has been really fantastic and really economical in the last 3 overs. He has just gone for 14, has taken a wicket and has just given away 1 boundary. This is some fantastic bowling by the Rising Warriors. They have completely put the brake on the scoring rate. New bowler on. The captain has been quite brilliant with its field changes and field placements, and with quite superb with the bowling changes as well. They have kept the deep square leg vacant. They are not giving anything away onto the leg side. This is some smart bowling by the fielder. The bowlers bowling exactly to the field. Here's the start of the 17th over. Here's another off spinner. Oh, that was a fantastic delivery. That was full. Oh, that was full. The batsman quietly able to nudge it, quietly able to play it only to the point region. The fielder was very alert and threw it back to the keeper. The keeper very alert. The bowler keeping it very full. This is something very great. Manikanta back to the attack. He has only given 1 run. Oh, this is some fantastic bowling by This is some fantastic bowling by Rising Warriors. They have completely put the scoring brakes on the Centuries Cricket Club. The boundaries have dried up in the past few overs. There was just an occasional boundary, and again this is a great ball. This was very full. Again the batsman quietly plays it. Was able to just play it for a single down to mid off, down to long off. This is some fantastic bowling. 2 runs of 2 balls. Sampath managing only 1 run down to long off. Oh, that's a wide. These are extras. These are again gold dust. Oh, this is gold dust for Centuries Cricket Club members. For the Centuries Cricket Club team. 5 extras. That's a really good. It's a boundary. Oh, that was down the leg side by Vamshi, by Manikanta, and Vamshi has played it beautifully to the fine leg region. Here's the 4th ball of the over. Oh, Manikanta again keeping it full. The batsman only managing a single. The last 2 balls of the over. The score stands at 146 for 5. Oh, that was a boundary. Oh, that was not a boundary. That was really good fielding. Oh, the batsman turning for the 3rd. We initially thought it was a boundary, but 3 runs. The batsman managing 3 runs out there. The batter has quietly played it beautifully to deep backward point, in between 3rd man and deep backward point. That was really smart batting by the batsman. Oh, what a fantastic stroke that is. The batsman has just beautifully played it. He has just scooped it down to the fine leg. That was really smart by Sampath. The team members shouting in jubilation. The 150 up for the Centuries Cricket Club at the end of the 18th. Good going by the Centuries Cricket Club. The last over has costed them 14 runs. New bowler into the attack. It has been an even contest between bat and ball so far. The Rising Warriors captain has been really instrumental in actually wandering the fields here and there. He has been really good. They have not allowed any batsman to get underneath the ball. The field placements and the field positions have almost been the same. The bowlers are really keeping the offside tight. They'll be really bowling exactly as the field plan. Here's the start of the 18th over. Here's the medium pacer. Oh, the bowler gets away. It was slightly short. The batsman missing out on a great opportunity. Oh, that was bowled. Oh, the middle stump goes out of the ground. Oh, this is a 6 wicket down. This is some fantastic bowling by Prashant. The batsman trying to heave it over square leg. But he was bowled. That was some good bowling by the bowler out there. Sunny Singh is the new batsman.
He's also captain.
And the captain is on the march. Let's see how many will the Centuries Cricket Club score in the last 11 balls of the innings. They stand at 153 for the loss of 5. Sunny Singh is on strike. The bowler to start the second ball of the over. Oh, that was really full. And that was full. And that's LBW. That was really good bowling by Prashant. He has kept it full. The batsman trying to get underneath the ball and trying to heave it in between long off and the deep square leg, but was unable to get so. As a result, the batsman is LBW. Smart bowling by the Rising Warriors so far. Prashant has been really good, has kept the ball really full, has just stuck to his basics. This is some fantastic bowling by Prashant so far. The captain goes for a duck, trying to up the ante. This is what is exactly expected of the batsman in the end overs. They have to get go from the start. But good bowling by the Rising Warriors bowlers, which is really fantastic. Chandan Kumar is the new batsman. So we are into the tail right now. Here's the third ball of the over. Oh, that was beautiful. That was elegantly played. That was elegantly played to the cover by Chandan Kumar, just for a single. Again, the bowler has not diverted from that length. He has exactly kept it good or full. He has pitched it good or full. Just a single of the over so far. Here's the fourth ball of the over. Oh, that's a very good ball. Oh, this is a misfield. This is a misfield. The ball goes past the keeper. 2 runs. The batsman back for a 2. The batsman back for a 2, and it is given as a bye by the umpire. The last 8 balls of the innings remain. The Centuries Cricket Club really needs to up the ante. They are aiming at 170 mark. Here's the 5th ball of the over. Oh, that was a fantastic stroke. That was really superb. That was really cheeky as well. The batsman playing it very fine. That was cheeky. The ball was slightly down the leg side. Prashant deviating from that good length. He just gave it away, and the batsman was quietly able to. It was a very cheeky shot and a very smart shot. This is some great stuff by the batsman. He has just scooped it to fine leg for a boundary. This is the last ball of the over coming up. Oh, that was beautifully hit. That was powered and that was some fantastic fielding down there. The bowler actually throws it into the play. He has just kept it and restricted it for a single. Wow, what a good over that was. Only 8 runs of the over and 2 wickets of that over. Great bowling by Prashant in the last over. The last over coming up. Centuries Cricket Club aiming to go past 170. They have accumulated 30 runs in the past 3 overs. Really some dicey game. Dicey and technical game shown by both the teams. Tactically, the Rising Warriors have been really very good with the field placements, and the bowlers have been really nice, responding to the captain with some good bowling and good fielding placements and bowling exactly to the field. Oh, the bowler is appealing. The keeper is appealing. The keeper is interested. The keeper is interested, but the umpire does not seem to be interested. That was really full ball. The ball just crawled back into the batsman. The batsman trying to heave it down the square leg. This is some fantastic bowling by Manikanta. Here's the second ball of the over, of the last over. Oh, that was down the leg side. This is a wide. But Manikanta doing a smart thing, keeping the ball full. Oh, that is just some lovely length. He's keeping the ball full. Has up the pace and he's keeping the ball full. Here's the second ball. Oh, that was a very, very good ball. The batsman trying to get underneath and just able to just get a single down to the square leg. What a fantastic bowling by Manikanta. He has kept the ball absolutely full on the off stump. The ball diverting back in and only 3 runs of the over so far. Oh, again. What a fantastic bowling this is. This is some tactical bowling and great skill shown by Manikanta in the last over. He has just been supreme with his lengths. He's been pitching it on the full length. The batsman not able to get underneath the ball. The batsman trying to heave but just in vain. Here's the 5th ball. Oh, what a fantastic yorker by Manikanta again. The batsman trying to go for a second. And that's a run out. Manikanta has been really very fantastic with his line and length. He has been really very full. Centuries Cricket Club has tried to up the ante. The boundaries have dried up. The last 2 overs have produced just 9 runs. What a good over so far. Throw down from long on by Amit Kare. It was a very good throw by Amit Kare. Amit Kare has been really good with his bowling and length and is showing his value in the field as well. Balu is the new batsman in. Two balls to go and the Centuries Cricket Club are aiming at 170. But what a fantastic bowling display this has been by Rising Cricket Warriors. They have really risen to the occasion as their team tagline. The bowlers have been really very full. Straight onto the off stump. They had a very packed offside field. And the bowlers have equally responded with bowling it outside the off stump. Here the 5th ball of the over by Manikanta. Oh, Balu tries to swing it. Balu going for a second run. And here's another run out. That's out. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Flurry of wickets. Flurry of wickets in the last over. The last 10 balls, the last 11 balls have been really very instrumental for the Centuries Cricket Club. There was flurry of wickets. There were scoring breaks put on by Rising Warriors. This is something fantastic by Rising Warriors. Fantastic gameplay, fantastic technical and tactical play by the Rising Warriors. Last ball of the innings coming up. The batsman on strike. Can he send the ball flying out of the ground? Here's the last ball. Oh yes! The batsman has swung it out. That's gone for a boundary. That's gone for a boundary to the deep square leg region. The Centuries Cricket Club has finished on a high. They exactly end at 170 for the loss of 9. And the last 2 overs have produced